Okay, hello guys. Welcome to CAT4MBA. My name is Himanshu, guys, and today it's a short introduction of a course on XAT that I'm coming up with in the upcoming days. So just let me tell you some of the sessions that I've planned. Okay, so guys, something about myself. My name is Himanshu. By qualification, I'm an MA and MPhil in English. I have 11 years of experience of teaching students, and I had a 99.74% percentile on the CAT verbal section. Okay. So guys, these are some of the batches that we are running currently on Unacademy. So you can have a look. Okay, so all these batches are currently going on in Academy. Okay, so you can see Arun Sharma sir is also taking a batch. Join all the. So guys, there's this one batch that I'm coming up with that I've already started. Okay, it's on 24th of December, and like it started today, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you want to work on the ZAT critical reasoning, I think this is one batch that you should absolutely join. Okay, so guys, you can see my code here, and this is a referral code, by the way. So if anyone among you has not downloaded the Unacademy app, so what you have to do in order to access content of all educators who are on the Unacademy app, you can use this code to access the free content. If you're already if you're already using the Unacademy app and you want to switch to the plus content, that is the paid content or the premium content, then guys, what you do, you use this code and your fee for 1 year program goes down by 10%. You can actually purchase the course with a 10% discount, right? So this code works as a referral code and also as a discount code. Okay, so you can use this code to your advantage. Okay, so guys, coming to the main thing that I wanted to talk to you in this session. So guys, I'm coming up with a ZAT capsule course, okay, on YouTube, and in this course, I'm going to give you the sessions on ZAT. So anyone who's planning to write ZAT, I think this course is going to benefit him, and you should absolutely attend these sessions to give you a perspective of how to handle that verbal section. Okay. Now we all know, guys, ZAT has a verbal section that is very different from the other exams. Okay, it has some tough RC, short but tough RCs. Then you have poetry also. Then there's a section known as decision making. Okay, decision making is not a part of verbal. Okay, but then decision making is also an integral section, and we all need to handle decision making. We all need to choose options, and we all know that how ambiguous those options are. Okay. Okay, so वैसे decision making is not something that is a part of verbal ability, but then I just covered it in the syllabus. Okay, so that we can learn some of the important things that we absolutely need in order to crack ZAT. Okay, so this is for ZAT 2021. 2nd January January को है अभी. ठीक है. So these are the session, guys. On the 25th, we have the ZAT verbal strategy. So in this session, I would talk broadly about how to really handle the ZAT verbal section. Okay, so that is one session. Then 26th of December, you have that ZAT decision making. Okay, so on 26th, I give you some tips and pointers uh, about how to prepare the decision making section. Okay, so this is one section that will give you a perspective of how this section has to be handled. Okay. Very important session. Then on 27th, you have ZAT decision making questions part 1, where we solve some questions on decision making, and you see for yourself how I do the questions. On 20th of December, you have ZAT decision making part 2. Okay, so again, I solve some questions of decision making DM. Then on 29th of December, we have ZAT critical reasoning. So critical reasoning, as we all know, is a very important part. In that, you have around 5 to 6 questions of this of critical reasoning, and these question, guys, are very scoring. Okay, like if you really want to get a good accuracy, and we all know that in that the cutoffs for verbal section are on the lower side. Okay, like you need only nine questions approximately to get a 90%. Okay, correctly done. So I think critical reasoning is one section that plays a very important role. Okay, so this is an absolutely important session. And then on 30th, you have the ZAT reading comprehension. So where I pick up the uh, like the PYQs, I solve some passages for you, and like you see for yourself how I handle the passages. Okay, like, and you can look at the strategy part as well. Then finally on 31st of December, we have ZAT poetry, and like as we all know that every year, last year also we had a poetry with 3 questions. Okay, so every year we expect one poem, and like some people can handle poetry. Okay, though most people uh, think that it's a difficult section, but then yes, there are certain ways in which you can handle the XAT poetry. Okay, so guys, this is a series of session that will go live on the YouTube. Okay, so anyone who's planning to write XAT should absolutely look at these sessions, and I think these sessions are really going to add value to your overall preparation for XAT. Okay, so guys, best of luck, and I see you in these sessions. So just take a note of these sessions. Okay, just remember the timings, just remember the dates, and I will see you in the session. Okay, thank you very much.